Let's go. Party time. Starting in 5 seconds. We got a little switch twist for the first one. 3, 2, 1. So you're just jumping the feet apart, twisting through your waist. Whoa, this braid is like Beyonce style. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Squat to side crunch. Feet hip-width distance apart, toes in a little side turn out, hands to temples. Go, squat down, come up, side crunch. Lots of obliques today. I like it. I like it a lot. Halfway there already. So feel the squeeze, the side of your waist. Last one, last one. Good. There's number 2. Plank to shoulder tap. Start now. Tap, tap. Go quick. Remember, feet wider is easier. Feet closer together is harder. Halfway. Go, go. Keep it quick. Interval means you need to get your heart rate up. You need to work hard. Go. Nice job. All done. One more. Save the hardest for last. Running high knee. Just like it sounds. Whoop. Low impact, you're here. High impact. Push yourself. Get your heart rate up. Go, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nailed it. Do that one more time through.